Northstone, North Carolina, pressure washing. If you are trying to find expert pressure washing in Northstone, North Carolina, this video covers everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and getting the best results for your property. Our team at Northstone, North Carolina uses top-quality equipment to power wash your home surfaces, ensuring a safe and effective cleaning process that gets the job done quickly and efficiently. We take pride in our attention to detail, carefully inspecting every surface before starting the pressure washing process to avoid any damage or missed spots. Regular cleaning can help prevent costly repairs down the line by removing dirt, grime, and mildew from your home's exterior surfaces, including siding, decks, and patios. Our locally owned business has years of experience in serving Northstone, NC, and surrounding areas, giving us a deep understanding of the unique challenges and needs of our community. By trusting us for all your pressure washing needs, you can enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more well-maintained home that increases your property value and boosts curb appeal. We understand that your time is valuable, which is why we offer flexible scheduling to accommodate your busy schedule in Northstone, NC. Our pressure washing services are designed to get the job done quickly and efficiently, so you can enjoy your property without the hassle. At Northstone, North Carolina, we use eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for your family, pets, and the environment, ensuring a clean home without harming the planet. We cater to residential and commercial properties in Northstone, NC, providing customized pressure washing solutions for driveways, sidewalks, and more. Our team will work with you to understand your specific needs and provide a personalized quote before starting any pressure washing project. We're proud of our Northstone, North Carolina team for putting in the extra effort to deliver top-notch pressure washing services, ensuring homes and businesses in this beautiful area shine like new. By training on local building materials and construction techniques, our team can tackle unique challenges found only here, like removing stubborn tar and grime from historic homes and buildings. By hiring a professional pressure washing service, you can remove dirt and grime that's been building up on your property, making it look cleaner and safer for years to come. If you're looking for pressure washing in Northstone, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates, scheduling, and professional cleaning services to get your property looking its best. Click the link below to learn more